Coming out hard, Atlanta, thank you for your time. This briefing will outline new developments that have drawn concern among Georgia state prosecutors. Specifically, the recent public show of unity between two high-profile Atlanta rappers and criminal defendants, Young Thug, Jeffrey Williams, and YFN Lucci, Rayshawn Bennett. This alliance, whether symbolic or strategic, could have serious implications for ongoing criminal trials, jury management, public narrative control, and potential interference in prosecutorial proceedings. To understand the weight of this development, it's important to recall the legal and personal history between the two men. Young Thug was currently on trial in the YSL RICO case, facing allegations of co-founding a criminal street gang under the guise of a music label. YFN Lucci was indicted in a separate RICO case in 2021 and was previously rumored to be a target of a murder attempt allegedly ordered by YSL affiliates while incarcerated. Historically, these two camps have been public rivals, both musically and allegedly through street affiliations. However, in a recent and unexpected statement, representatives from both artists posted a joint message online calling for peace in the city and an end to weaponizing our voices as criminal evidence. This gesture, possibly orchestrated by attorneys or publicists, is being viewed not just as a cultural olive branch, but a coordinated legal media move, and prosecutors are paying attention. Prosecutors from both Fulton County and DeKalb County have privately and, in some cases, publicly voiced concerns over this sudden shift in tone. The cases against both individuals rely heavily on cooperating witnesses and jail communications. A public display of reconciliation may intimidate or dissuade further cooperation, even if done subtly. Prosecutors believe this union is part of a broader media and public relations strategy designed to recast both defendants as victims of a broken system rather than perpetrators of organized crime. This undermines ongoing judicial proceedings. Public solidarity between defendants in separate RICO cases, especially ones previously characterized as antagonists, may confuse jurors or be viewed as an attempt to obstruct the natural course of justice. Officials are also concerned about setting a dangerous precedent. If high-profile defendants can sway public sentiment through public alliances, it could interfere with the court's ability to maintain neutrality in the courtroom. From the public's perspective, the move has been largely praised. Fans and social justice advocates have interpreted this as a sign of growth, unity, and maturity, especially in a city where rap beefs have often escalated into real-life violence. Civil rights organizations, such as the Southern Center for Human Rights, have issued statements in support, noting that reconciliation should not be viewed as obstruction, but as progress. Notably, several other Atlanta rappers, including Ghana and Lil Baby, have echoed support, intensifying public pressure on prosecutors and the courts. This public show of unity could have the following direct legal consequences: requests for trial delays or motion filings arguing that public sentiment has been unfairly swayed. Obstruction claims, if any evidence arises that this unity is coordinated with the intent to affect witness behavior or jury pool selection. Possible violation of no contact or protective orders, depending on prior court restrictions between the two parties. Defense teams may argue the opposite, that their clients are exercising First Amendment rights and promoting peace, not disruption. prosecutors must now tread carefully, balancing public scrutiny with their responsibility to maintain the rule of law. This development also enters the political arena. Georgia lawmakers are still debating the proposed rap lyrics as Evidence Limitation Act, which would restrict how prosecutors can use lyrics in court. This sudden show of unity could influence public. This is real and not just speculative. It's a legacy-defining moment. Artists like Jay-Z and Nas eventually squashed their beef and elevated the culture. If Thug and Lucci can do the same, especially under intense legal pressure, it might shift the paradigm in Southern rap.